One pattern we see across successful service businesses is that clear pricing makes it much easier for clients to decide. When pricing feels confusing or open-ended, people tend to hesitate. But when services are packaged clearly, clients can quickly understand what they are getting and choose the option that fits. As we covered in the last video, separating different types of services helps clients quickly understand what they're choosing between, whether that's a one-time session or a longer engagement. From there, the next step is making pricing just as clear. Many businesses package their services instead of charging hourly. Bundling deliverables into a package shifts the focus from time spent to the outcome being delivered, which often makes the value easier for clients to understand. Deposits can also play an important role. Clear payment and cancellation policies can help confirm serious clients, lower upfront cost by making your services easier to book, reduce last-minute cancellations, and make the engagement feel more professional from the start. For example, a photographer might require a deposit to secure a shoot and outline rescheduling terms in their proposal. For higher ticket services, some businesses offer payment plans. Breaking a larger investment into installments can make premium services more accessible without lowering your rates. And for ongoing relationships, recurring pricing can create more stability. Retainers, advisory support, or membership-style access allow businesses to build predictable revenue instead of starting from zero each month. Some businesses also offer limited promotions or discounts for packaged services, which can encourage clients to move forward while still protecting the value of your work. When pricing is structured clearly and intentionally, clients can focus less on comparing options and more on deciding how they want to work with you. Your work, your world, powered by Squarespace.